Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you my tips and tricks in Arsenal. Now, I'm not the best player and I'm on mobile, so don't judge me. I'm just trying to grow my channel and teach you all you guys what I know and try and help you guys. But yeah, please subscribe and like if you enjoy my videos. No hate, and let's get into it. So let's see, we're on hillside.
They are stupid to think they will win.
This gun to start off with, really good. It has a lot of spread and it moves when you shoot it. But it's a really good gun in general because it does a lot of damage and it's really fast. So it's quite a good all round. So now we're on the MP. This is also quite a good gun, but see the cross? It gets bigger every time you shoot it, which is kind of bad. So this is a good gun, but like it's good for close range. Close range, this is good. I'll show you from far range. So Sandtown's a good map, and what show I can show you? Pistols. Pistols would be good. Yes. Oh, laser tag it is then. So as you can see, I'll show you later on in the video, but mainly if your target is moving and you have a really slow weapon, for example a pulse musket, or hush puppy, aim before them in the direction that they're moving, because if you aim on them, it'll just land behind them. I've learned that from my experience here. So this laser rifle is really good. Here's the hand cannon. As you can, this is a far range weapon. It's good for far range. Oh, there's the railgun. So railgun's a one-shot kill. It's just you have to kind of aim it and just hope for the best. Like here, I have a railgun that has 6 bullets if you use that full. And yep, there was 2 of them. I think. Yep, 2 of them right there. So the railgun's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay.
Whoa, you blew his brains out.
You aim like that, and see, I'm going onto the ramp. See, I know where they are, so I can jump down and do that to them. Go behind them. See, pulse musket. It's really good. So this one, I might stay near my spawn if I have a good spawn here. Yeah, I can just can just wait here until someone gets there. See, it's a one-shot kill, but it's really close. So if you wait till you know you're gonna hit it before you shoot it.
Nice headshot.
This is a good gun to explain. Pathfinder. As soon as you start shooting, it turns into a terrible gun. It has the widest spread. Like I just hate it.
Very good. One less level for him.
The laser rifle, like this is like basically an automatic weapon. It's a really good fast shooting gun. Downgraded pulse laser basically. And here I am back on the I don't know what that's gun called. It just doesn't show up and it has infinite ammo. Now I'm on the railgun again. So there was
you blew his brains out.
Now on the focus. The focus is a good all-rounder. Like it's just a fast gun that it's good to have. And good aim, you know, combines to make a really good weapon. So yeah, those are my aiming so far. Let's see the focus. Yes, it's a really good gun. See that gun, the one that I just got killed by. That guy was on. That one has infinite ammo and it doesn't have an aim, which is really strange. I just don't know why. Okay, we're on the focus. I need to get the kill with the focus. And so I can go for it. Oh, AHP, please finish him off. Nope. I feel like my teammates are not the best players, but whatever. But not saying that I'm good. Not saying that I'm good.
Good shot.
Oh, now back
you
to
got his head.
Like I said, if you hit someone,
got a shot. You
it's a really good gun, but then it just, you know, after you shoot more than once, it just turns into a. That's the BH-10. It's a good gun. It just has not widespread, medium spread. It's a good all-round and we're on laser tag. This is the one where you have to hit a headshot. Otherwise, you're not gonna get the kill to the body. So this is a good gun to just stay here, kinda. Just wait for them to spawn there. Oh, yep, he had the, that's the railgun, much better than this one. So now we're on here. We're gonna go and hand cannon, yep, medium. Like I said, you just have to hit them in the head. It's sometimes really difficult.
Hey, you got me. Excellent.
Oh, don't know why I was waiting there, so yep. Now we're on the pulse musket. Like I said, really not heavy weapon, but it's just really slow to shoot. It just feels slow. That guy was behind me. Really slow weapon. Oh, yep, he got me with the hand cannon. I really don't like the pulse musket. I mean, it's a one-shot kill, but still, it's okay. Yep, he just got the golden knife and got the golden knife kill. Okay. So yeah, we're doing pretty well, but that's it for my aiming tips and tricks video. I really hope it helped. I'm just trying to grow my channel. Please sub and like. Please tell all your friends if you enjoy my video. Tell them about my YouTube channel. Please, it really helps me, and peace.